The easiest way to solve a trigonometric quadratic equation is to convert it into the standard quadratic form. Here we have cos squared theta equals 2 plus cos theta. Well, this looks a bit complicated, but if we have something like this, t squared equals 2 plus t, this looks like a quadratic form and we are familiar with this. So let's try to convert our original equation in this form. I can assume cos theta as a variable, let's say x. Then the equation becomes x squared equals 2 plus x. We bring everything on the left side of the equal sign. X squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. Now this is a standard quadratic form that we are familiar with. We can use factoring or quadratic formula to solve. I choose to do factoring. Here we have 1 and this is minus 2. 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. So our goal is to find two numbers that multiply to become minus 2. And the same two numbers should add to become this, minus 1. Those numbers would be minus 2 and 1. So this minus 1x can be written as minus 2x plus 1x. Now between the first and the second term, x is a common factor. X minus 2 is inside the bracket. Between the third and the fourth term, 1 is a common factor, so x minus 2 in the bracket. Now x minus 2 is a common factor. It comes out and we have x plus 1 becomes 0. Now we have product of two functions equals 0. That means we can say that either the first term is 0 or the second term is 0. This gives you x equals 2. This gives you x equals minus 1. Once you have the value of x, go back to your assumption. X is cos theta. So instead of x, make it cos theta. The first one we have cos theta equals 2 right here. And the second one we have cos theta equals minus 1 from here. We know that cos theta is always between minus 1 and plus 1. It cannot be bigger than 1, it cannot be less than minus 1. Here 2, the number 2 is bigger than 1. Cos theta equals 2 is not possible because cos theta always has to be in this range. So this will give you no solution. The second one, cos theta equals minus 1. Notice theta has to be between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. Between 0 and 360 degrees, cos theta is minus 1 at this point, 180 degrees. So theta is 180 degrees. There can be other solutions beyond 360, but we are only interested in theta between 0 and 360. So this is your only solution. And there you have it. You have solved the quadratic trigonometric equation. So let's summarize. Start by assuming the trigonometric term as x. That will help you form a quadratic equation. Solve the quadratic equation using factoring or quadratic formula. Find the values of x. Then replace the x with your original trigonometric term. And now find the corresponding value of theta that makes your cos 2 or minus 1 if possible. And you have your theta. That is your solution. That's all you have to do. If you understand this, can you try the second problem? 3 tan square theta minus 2 tan theta equals 1. Follow the same steps and you should have the answer. Once you have them, answer them in the comment below.